Can you hear the cheers in the chant?
The sun is going down, y'all. We told y'all that food was delicious. Yo, that right here is awesome.
Here's the beef and that patty of pasta. Oh, wow.
And I'm about to get down on them truffles, man. I like them truffles. Look at them truffles.
Most people come to Pattaya for the neon lights and the busy streets, but 13 miles south, the landscape starts to change. Today I'm taking you somewhere that feels less like Thailand and more like the hills of Tuscany. We're heading to Castello Di Bellagio. It's off the beaten path for most tourists, but for those looking to breathe, it's a hidden gem. Before the main event, we stopped at the cafe on the grounds.
Yo, I'm out here with my friend, y'all. I'm out here with my, why you trying to go over? I'm out here with my friend. She don't like, you like being on camera. You do, I seen your photos.
So this is going to be the Coliseum right here. Can you hear the cheers and the chant from the horse chariot race? When you're here, you don't rush. We grabbed a cappuccino and just soaked in the stillness. It's the perfect primer for what's coming next. A transition from the daily grind to something a bit more royal. Yo, this is that whole spread right there. We have the crab and the pasta here. We have the beef consomme with the truffle slices on it. We have the Caesar salad. We have the bread here, and we have those clams. And the calamari. About to go in, y'all. Nice meal here at the Bellagio. Just a stone throw away from the restaurant is one of the most iconic sites in Thailand, Khao Chi Chan. This isn't just a mountain. It's a 109-meter tall Buddha laser etched into the rock and inlaid with gold leaf. It was created in 1996 to honor the king's 50th anniversary on the throne. Standing here, you feel the weight of the history and the peace of the valley. It's the spiritual heart of this entire area. 5:30 p.m., we have our reservation. The heat is still hanging in the air, but the light is starting to turn to gold. In 50 minutes, the sun is going to drop behind these mountains, and there is no better seat in the house than right here.
Oh, look at that calamari. That calamari looks nice and crispy, and it has this sauce here that comes with it. Yo, that right here is awesome, man. Look at it right there. Look at those pieces. Oh my goodness, those thick round chunks right there. And you got the lemon there. First thing I want to do is dip some of this bread in here. Just like that whole thing. You should do this. So you like bread? So good. I am not about to be polite. Stop. Look at the garlic in there. y'all. I'm about to get some of this calamari now. And I know I'm like going ahead of myself, but I just have to dip it in this clam sauce. I thought you was finished. I'm like, huh? All right, y'all. I'm about to slide plates over here. Did you need this little plate?
Yeah.
You want to put it on that side of you?
Okay.
I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to slide this over a bit. Just a little bit. And bring this over. Y'all thought this was a game, man. I'm about to get down on them truffles, man. I like them truffles. Look at them truffles. Oh, those are black truffles, though. Those look like the inexpensive ones. They better not play me, yo. Let me just taste it. Oh, that sun's going down quick. Very earthy flavor in that truffle. Mushrooms. And here's the beef in that patty of pasta. Oh, wow. That beef just exploded in my mouth. Look, the sun's gone. This is delicious, y'all. First time I ever had something like this. I don't know what all that juice they was that poured on it. This right here was about, I gotta look at the prices. We'll put the price up. Get that fly out of there. We'll put the prices up. But this is amazing. This time I'm just gonna mix one of them truffles with the juice. You want a truffle? You want to try? You want to try? I keep asking if she want to try, yo. She's like, she's shy. Let me stop bothering my buddy. I'm going back to the clam, so. I like it. What's a woman? So good. Yo, we're gonna sit here and eat. Everything is absolutely amazing, absolutely delicious. We're gonna tune out. We're gonna sit here and just chop it up with my friend. She's leaving town here, and I will not see her again probably for another 6 months. Say goodbye, Ice. Peace out, y'all. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. But you with the right cat now. I love y'all, man. Mad love and respect as the sun goes down beyond the clouds. Here on the side of the Buddha Mountain. The sun is going down, y'all. It is absolutely brilliant. We're almost finished. We're really getting into this. Why you didn't eat the crab? You don't like crab?
I like.
Oh, okay.
I eat later.
Oh, okay. You're gonna save that. I know she didn't just say she gonna eat the crab later, y'all. Later when? Let me find out she's taking food home. Y'all, we told y'all that food was delicious. We were not playing around. We were not playing around at all. And they took some of the plates away, but we are finished. We've eaten everything except one piece of calamari. And y'all thought this was a game. I'm about to eat this calamari. This is like a tartar-based sauce. know how some calamari, when it get cold, it's not good? That is still delicious. Yo, we just came up this big hill right here. Oh, we're tired. We are ready to eat. We're about to go through the door. This place is amazing. Here in Pattaya, at the Bellagio, like Castello Di Bellagio. Castello Di Bellagio. Absolutely magnificent. Absolutely magnificent. So look, Tez just had the door for us and we're coming into the place here. So this is pretty cool. Oh, there's some Roman stuff, man. It's an Italian restaurant. But there's like, hey, sawadee krap. Oh my goodness, I want to go up there. Did they go out here? I think they did.
Take a right.
Yeah.
This is where they have all the aged meat and their wine collections.
Okay.
Cheeses and desserts. And right back there in the fridge. 90 days dry aged Australian Wagyu.
Man, that wine looks good, y'all. I wish I drank a little wine. Okay, let's just walk. Sit down next to the birthday man.
All right.
Sit over here. Sit next to the birthday man. He's 69 years young.
That's right.
I'm following his shoes real quick, man. And just hearing him talk so far, I want to be just like this cat.
Aloha! You know what they say where I come from, huh? Mucho aloha. You know what I mean?
Are you sure? you remember my friend from the neck bones?
Hey, but the
Pork
real one
bones.
is mucho mahalos. You know?
Mahalos.
Mucho mahalos, you know.
Look at the look, y'all. Can y'all see Pattaya way over there? Like, we just came the distance from my house in Newark, New Jersey. Well, I don't have a house. To New York City.
And that is Silver Lake.
That's Silver Lake. Right over there, y'all. I don't know if this camera right here is giving any justice, but I trust my GoPro. That is the restaurant up there. What's going on, family? I am out here at this Italian restaurant and we are still in Pattaya, but it feels like I have left Pattaya, man. This is really interesting. There's like a big gate, a big hill. This restaurant actually looks like a castle. The sun is like setting over the mountain, man. It's really beautiful out here. This is what I needed. I really needed to get out of Central Pattaya. Let's go eat. That's Buddha Mountain. I'm calling it Buddha Mountain. We just passed it. Sawadee krap. Really nice out here, y'all. We're gonna walk up the hill. I think I'm going the right way. It says restaurant that way. Let's go.
The missing leg for the octopus.
Okay.
Basically, for the octopus head to
We got like a fountain out here, man. They have all of this foliage, and I guess this is the front door to the restaurant. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. The door. Sawadee krap.
All right, film as we come into the cafe.
All right, y'all, this is a cafe here. And Tez don't have to narrate my video. It's like 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Oh, it's cold in here, y'all. Look at the little cat over there. There's some Gucci stuff right here, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all. This is some real Gucci stuff. Look, man, they got all types of desserts here. They got some, it look like, is that gelato? It's like this. This is like the cafe. Sawadi Krap, Kamustaka. Hello, everybody.
Oh, dude, if you make it to Bangkok, I take you to the best ceviche probably in the world. A place called Bomb 11.
They cook the fish in lemon juice.
In citrus, yes. Excuse me.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Thank you. Yo, this is absolutely looking delicious, y'all. I had it the other day, but it's daytime out now. You know, if a place is good, I'll keep going back over and over and over again. This place has lived up to its name. I've checked them out on Facebook. Everyone has nothing but great things to say about it. We're back. We're back. Food's coming out really fast today, y'all. Really fast. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She got these on the class. Look at that, yo. That looks so good. Oh wow, all of my and the bread. Look at this, y'all. Got the little frying pan to it too. Look at that. That's so cute. Check out the frying pan, y'all. Check out the frying pan. You're gonna eat some of these clams. Yes, yes. You like clams? Yes. I didn't know you like clams. That's good. Go for it. We about to eat, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. We're not playing. The sun is going down. It is absolutely beautiful over there. We ain't gonna move out the way.
Tomorrow feels like sunlight warmer than before. I don't know